Let's make an enemy. So first, you want to go ahead and make a folder. I have a folder already for my enemy. I'm going to make a blueprint. It's going to be a character. I'm going to name it. So we're going to double click on it and go to the character mesh. And we're going to use a skeleton that's already there. I'm going to do Manny. I'm going to change the location to -80 and -90. From there, we're going to add a pawn sensing component. Basically, this allows the character to sense another pawn. I'm going to change the peripheral vision to 70. That way, it's easier to see. And then on sig pawn, I'm going to make a variable, and it's going to say C pawn as far as question. And then we're going to set that, okay, and connect those two. And then we're going to, oops, sorry, check the box and make sure that's accurate. Then we're going to do a custom event. And this custom event is going to be called follow pawn, which is just another word for player. And from the set C pawn, we're going to call that event, which is follow pawn. All right. So now we're going to get a branch, and then we're going to get C pawn connected there. And if that is true, we're going to call an action. So let's go ahead and over here. We're going to do get AI move to, or I guess I gotta take get out. So let's do that. Right, there's AI move to. So the pawn is, for this one, is itself. And then the targeted actor is going to be get player character. Okay, there we go. And then the acceptance radiance, I realize like if you do it a low number, the pawn is like right close up on your player, and that's just too much. So we're gonna try 70 just to see. All right, and then from there, let's compile and save it just to make sure. Don't want to lose all this work here. Let's make a new variable. It's going to be called attack. So for my game, I want to have my player being attacked by this enemy here. So let's go back to the follow pawn event and let's put the attacking there in front of the C pawn. So I'm going to let's go ahead and set it. Set. Okay, let's connect those there. Check it's true. And then after the AI move to, I think I'm going to do another branch. And I'm sorry about the rain. It's really rainy here. We're going to get attacking again, but this time we're not going to check is attacking. Okay, and then we're going to play a montage. So this is pretty much the animation that we're going to play when the character attacks. All right, and then going to do a delay. So basically once he, oh, just need to put delay. Once the character reaches the player, it's a little delay after the montage. And then set attacking here, and then it's going to be true. So we're going to check that box. All right, we're good to go on that. So that is the basic following the player and attacking the player. So let's save it. Okay, let's go back. And now we have to make three things. We need a animation blueprint for this enemy. So we're going to use that mannequin. And then let's name it enemy BP. Okay. All right. So right here is where we're going to, have some animations that we're going to put. But let's do the other ones we need. So we need a montage. Like I said, it's going to play. That's going to be the attack montage. So let's just name it. Okay. Then if you open it, it just shows you like how you can, it's going to be a specific action that's going to be played for this one. But we don't need to worry about that right now. But that's how you do it. All right. And then the last thing we need to do is a blend space. So this is how we're going to get the character movements here. So the blend space is where we're combining some animations. So it's going to be idle, walk, and then run. And then we'll put that into the animation blueprint. We're back with part two.